Hey you guys, so here we are at the highest peak. The lighthouse is right there. It's off limits. Uh, you have to be working at the lighthouse in order to gain access to that area, but it is a trail underneath here that would take you there. But look at the view up here. So nice, so clean, the ocean. The air is so clean, so breathable. You don't get this type of air in the Bay Area. Look at that. Having fun? How's the scenic up here? Good? It's a nice lighthouse. It's a small one, but it's the reflection that matters. Doesn't matter how big or how small they are. The ships can see it from all the way out there, miles and miles and miles away. It's to warn the ships that they're getting too close to the shore and they don't crash. But that's old tradition. Now they use navigation, sonar navigation and satellite navigation. Look at this. Wow. It's worth it. It was worth the hike. The air is really nice and clean. Oh look, it's another trail over there. You might be able to take that one down to the lower to the cliff. We might check that one out before we leave. Here's Madison taking a picture on top of the rocks. Just hang out here and just soak it all in. Enjoy the air, enjoy the scenic.